Hello, my YouTube friends. Well, here's another Patreon video for you. I'm going to be giving you one every Friday. As a patron on the Patreon channel, A Better Life with Kat, you will get 5 of these videos every single week. Another bonus is that there are no advertisements on the Patreon channel, and I have the ability to answer your questions and comment if I think it's appropriate. On the YouTube channel, you'll notice I just give you a little heart that lets you know that I've read your comment, and I really appreciate it. I just don't have the ability to answer all of your questions on the YouTube channel. So come on over. It's only $5 a month, no advertising, and I think you'll really enjoy it, and we'd love you to be part of our Patreon family. Thanks again for watching, and always remember that you are beautiful. Hello, patrons. Today we're going to revisit an old subject. It's called Complete the Process. And here we go. So when you have finished decluttering for 15 minutes, set the timer, 15 minutes, I always tell you to complete the process, give it away, throw it away, put it away. I tell you to take it out to the garbage, to take it to the back of the car, put it away in your house. But let's talk about it in detail because I think people aren't doing it like they should. And it's staying in the house and becoming more of a problem than it should be. So when you've completed a declutter, let's take an example. Let's say you've decluttered in the kitchen. You've decluttered the countertop. And it didn't take you very long, so you continued and decluttered the junk drawer. And you got them both done, 7 minutes each. You still had a minute to spare. All right, so time is up, ding, and you stop. What do you do next? Well, you take the garbage that you got out of that, and either, if it's just a handful, throw it in your garbage. But if it's a bunch, and you put it in a collection bin of some sort, a box or a bin or something, then take it physically, tie the bag up, and go put it outside in the big garbage. Don't leave it in your house. That happens, the very first thing. The second thing is you have to physically walk the things that you've gathered up. So let's say you have a coffee maker and a coffee grinder and a toaster and a can opener that you found on your shelf or on your cabinet or wherever you were decluttering. We said the countertop. So let's say those were things that you really, they're worn out, but they're still good enough, and you have your eye on a new one, or you bought a new one and it's still in the box or whatever. So take these items to the back of your car, or the trunk of your car. Take them out there. Because if you're following the system, on Thursday, your errand day, you're going to get rid of them. You don't have to go today, but you have to put it in the car today or in the trunk today. You have to. It can't stay there. And then the put away. So you found some things that don't belong on your countertop or in your junk drawer. Some things that you want to put in another area. Let's say in your junk drawer you've got batteries, rubber bands, permanent markers, ink pens, I don't know, just a screwdriver and a pair of pliers. And that's what you like in there. But you also found some junky little kitty toys, in my opinion, garbage, and the part that your husband was looking for something that he needed. So the giveaway would be, here honey, here's the part for that thing you wanted. Don't give it to me now, just leave it over there. No, I'm going to put it in the garage by the part on the shelf. That's where it's going to be. Did you hear me? It's going on the shelf in the garage. Okay, next, let's say that you decided that the popcorn popper is good, but it really shouldn't live on the countertop. So now you're going to put it away. So you're going to go to your pantry on that top shelf where you keep those things, move some things around and put it up there. Or it won't fit there and you've got a shelf in the garage. That's where it's going. Make sure it's covered. Put it out there. Put things away. It might take you more than 5 minutes. If you've been doing a declutter in a place that was just insane, it might take you more than 5 minutes. Or you might not be able to put it away. Maybe you only have the closet in the kitchen, the pantry in the kitchen, and the top shelf is where you want to keep those extra appliances, and it's full. But you see things there that you know you're going to get rid of. But you're not decluttering there right now. Maybe you're going to declutter there tomorrow, or maybe next month. So what you've got to do is have a way to store these things so that you can put it there. And my suggestion is a box for every room in the house that the things go in. And I often say, put that box in the corner, but it might not be convenient to put the box in the corner. So put the box in the garage and label it kitchen, appliances, or whatever. Put it in the garage, and when you get to that area, declutter it, go in your garage, pull that thing out that you said you were going to keep all these things, and put it back. Now, what if you still don't have room? What if you still don't have room? You've got too many appliances and not enough places to store them. There's no room under the counters, there's no room on the counters, or you want clean counters, there's no room in the pantry. What do? Maybe now's the time to consider giving that ice cream maker away that you haven't used in 4 years. That's what you do. You reconsider. Just like yesterday's video said, look again. If you haven't watched it, watch it. Look again. Take another look. Reassess what you have. So to complete the process is something. It's not nothing. That's why I made it from my very first cup, my very first mug says complete the process on it, because it's something, and it's something quite important for you to do after each session. So allow yourself a little bit of time, 5 minutes to 20 minutes, depending on how much clutter you have to put away, or how much decluttering you have to put away. It might take you a little bit of time, but it's going to be worth it in the end. All right, that's it for today. Have a fabulous day, patrons, and always remember to be beautiful, because you are beautiful.